You want to see this? Watch out! Whoa! That. Oh yeah, where's black? Oh there. I'll transform. Hunter. You wanna see this? Every time when I go.
So we're gonna race this red car and this car. Okay, do it again. Whoa, okay, so that one there. Whoa. Okay, so we have the red car. The winner.
Because you pushed me.
Oh really? My car pushed you apart?
Yeah. So I win.
Oh, okay, alright. So let's take another 2 cars here. Which are the next ones? I am going to go with
this one.
You're gonna go with that? Okay, I'm selecting the yellow one here. I like the sun.
You got to guess the mirror one.
Right? Which one is yours? I wanna show you. I wanna show everyone.
You want to see something cool on this one? It has mirror.
Where?
Here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so this car has a little mirror here.
Yeah, because I never also knew that.
Oh, cool. Now you know it. Let's do the race. My car goes first.
Yeah, the cool one.
Whoa! All right. Next.
What?
Whoop!
This time your car wins.
Okay, this time my car wins. So I have the yellow one, which is here. It's a winner, and this one's red.
Because your other car was blocking me.
Yeah, we should have moved those cars. All right, so we're gonna move this for the next round. So we're gonna do something different here now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put 2 cars at the same time.
Yeah.
2 cars. Okay, and the furthest ones is the winner. Okay, you got 2 cars?
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab 2
Two of
from
my
me.
favorites.
Okay, I'm gonna take this car here
There's 2 same cars.
and another one. Oh yeah, look at this one.
It's a hot dog car.
Oh,
You can also open this.
really? Show me how you open it. Okay, so this part opens up here. Is a catch-up part of it.
And you
And
can close
hot
the back, but
Let's just do the other team is the blue and the red car here.
yeah, because the boat speed.
Woohoo! Let's see who speeds and wins. Go ahead. So this time your 2 cars goes first.
Yeah.
So we have all the cars out, and there we go. 2 cars together. Whoa! All right. So we're gonna do it again.
Yeah, because I know why. This is blocking out.
Yeah, that one is blocking out. Okay. So we're gonna fix it here.
That's it good. That's more better.
Alright, so we're gonna do it again. 2 cars together. Let's see. 2 cars together. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Look at that! 2 of them together. So let's do two of them together here.
I'm not gonna do.
Wow! Oh yay! So mine went there. The another one went there. And these are two of your cars.
Yeah, because that car was the naughty car.
Oh yeah, but it's reversed. And it didn't come like the straight. So I think your cars are the winner. Woohoo! So now we're gonna do another challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So for the last challenge, we're gonna line up all the cars here. And then one by one, you have to slide your car one by one from this line, big line of cars. If any of the cars stops here on the track,
They lose.
that's where we stop and count how many cars went out of the track.
And they are winner of the car.
Okay, yeah, so whosoever gets more cars out from the track wins the challenge. Creating a big line of cars that you want to have it for the challenge. I think I want this one as well. It's a pretty cool car. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get some of these here, these ones as well, the 4 ones, yeah, get them.
Yeah.
So we're gonna push all of these ones on one side so that we're gonna not use them. So yeah, bring them here. This one too. This one, the white one, is my favorite.
The skeleton one.
The skeleton one. Look at all those pretty cars here. Woohoo! Are we done?
Nope.
One more.
No.
Wow! Look at this awesome black car.
Yeah, but that's my favorite car.
Really?
Yeah.
Looks like my favorite too now.
It's like a ninja car.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's bring those two as well, just in case if we need.
Whoa!
Oh, where are you running away? Okay, so you go first and start the challenge, alright?
So the robot is here.
Yeah, I mean, we have a little robot as an audience. Go ahead. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Okay, this one made it. Let's go. Hurry up.
Why that popped out first?
That's okay. Whoa!
That's the
Whoa! Whoa! Okay. All right. So give me that. Put it outside, and keep going without the cars. Okay? Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. We will not count. So we have 4 cars up till now. Here you go. Keep going. Keep going. Up till you finish all of the cars. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh! This one didn't make it.
His wheel came out.
Yeah, so that didn't make it. Here you go. Here you go. Wow! That one made it.
It was heavy, but it still went up.
Right. Here you go. Wow! Ooh! Awesome. That one was a very good jump. Wait. Woo! Awesome. Yay! So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards so far. Keep going, keep going. Awesome. Keep going. We'll count at last. We're able to reach. Awesome. Here you go. Whoa! Jumped out, so that's good. Another one. Here you go. Oops, that one didn't make it. That's fine. You got a lot out. Whoa! Oops.
Oops.
Oh, so another one made it just stop here.
This one was almost going to jump. This one made it stop because it was right here.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna count this as out since it made it up to last. So okay, let's count how many you could make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you got 12. Now let's see. Now Mama's turn. Okay?
And let's see if you can do it.
If I can do it more than 12. Alright? Let's see. Okay, we're gonna make again our line of cards that we're gonna use. Keep going. Those are pretty awesome cars that we have from
This is
Hot
really
Wheels.
sprinkly. I like this color. This is golden.
Trying a golden card here.
And it's really sprinkly.
Yeah.
I love it sprinkly.
Almost done.
4 more left.
4 more left.
2 more left.
Okay.
2 more left. 1 more left.
Now we are ready to do the next turn in the challenge. It's mine. Okay, so I'm gonna do the video as well as I'm gonna put the cards up there. Let's see. Okay, so this one goes first. Alright, I'm gonna go here and try to capture the best I can. Alright, there we go. Sliding down. Whoa! Okay! It made it!
It was just a baby jump.
Yeah! Alright, so it made it with a baby jump. Let's keep going. There we go. Wow, that was cool. Let's get the next one here. Wow, it went far away. Next one.
Skeleton.
The skeleton that we have a skeleton on this one. Whoa, it made it.
That's really sweet.
Oh,
You didn't do it right. This doesn't count.
I don't care, that doesn't count now. No, that one made it. Now you have the next. There you go.
No.
Too. Awesome, so far 2 cards didn't make it. 1 card didn't make it. Oh, there's another one that didn't make
Because
it.
I just saw it. We came out again.
Next one we have this one. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! All ready?
Yeah.
And there it goes. Oh, it didn't make
The
it.
wheel came out.
Yeah, so 2 cards didn't make it. Hopefully this makes it. There we go. Whoa, made it. Give me. Oh, so that will not count since it didn't go through.
Yeah, that didn't count.
That doesn't count. Oh, that made it. Cool, this view is pretty awesome, I guess. Ah, that didn't make it.
This is my favorite car in the
Do
world.
you have anything left? No. So far, we're doing awesome. Alright. Whoa! Alright, so we have this many cars didn't make it.
5.
5, and the rest ones are here. Let's count them. So
1, 2.
2,
That's a 2.
2,
3,
3, 4, 5,
6,
6 over there. 7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12! So big brothers!
I thought you were going to get 11.
Oh yeah, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna lose both, made 12 votes, so we both are winners. Yay, yay,
Yeah, I have to
yay.
go 5. You did it.
Okay. So this is our challenge with the Hot Wheels cars and a little road here.
And a jump.
And jumping off the road. All about it. So please keep watching us, and we're doing this videos to serve the kids out, needy kids out there. Please subscribe because we need your subscription to reach 1,000 subscription and we can start like 50% of the earnings towards the needy kids. Please subscribe and keep watching more and more videos.
And our videos too. Goodbye.
Bye.